Are you the best cocktail sets? Cocktail sets are essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their mixology skills, whether you're a seasoned bartender or a home enthusiast. With the rise in popularity of DIY cocktails and home bars, choosing the right cocktail set can make all the difference in crafting perfect drinks. To help consumers navigate this crowded market, Product 1. Kaisu Cocktail Shaker Set Bartender. The Kaisu Cocktail Shaker Set is a comprehensive 15-piece kit designed for both professional bartenders and home mixologists. This set includes a 25-ounce shaker, hawthorn strainer, mixing spoon, double-sided jigger, muddler, and liquor pourers, all housed in an elegant wooden stand. The stainless steel tools are thickened to 0.8 millimeters for durability and are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean. The inclusion of a recipe guide adds value for beginners looking to explore mixology. A standout feature is the combination of wood and stainless steel, which delivers a stylish aesthetic that complements modern kitchen counters. In Product 2. Cocktail Shaker. The Kaisu 24-ounce cocktail shaker is a budget-friendly option tailored for beginners. This 3-piece set includes a shaker, strainer, and measuring jigger, along with a recipe guide. Made from thickened stainless steel, the shaker is rust-resistant, leak-proof, and dishwasher-safe. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the 24-ounce capacity is sufficient for crafting cocktails for small gatherings. The minimalist packaging and design are practical for those who want a no-frills solution to mixology. Performance-wise, this set is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The shaker is easy to assemble and use, making it suitable for quick, simple cocktails. However, Product 3. Cocktail Shaker Set. The Semderm Cocktail Shaker Set offers a balanced mix of affordability and functionality. This 10-piece kit includes a 24-ounce shaker, muddler, mixing spoon, jigger, corkscrew, liquor pourers, and a stylish bamboo stand for organization. The tools are crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The bamboo stand is not only practical, but also adds a touch of elegance, making this set a great choice for home bars or parties. The Semderm set performs well in both functionality and aesthetics. The shaker is leak-proof and has a good capacity for multiple servings. The bamboo stand keeps tools accessible and organized, which Product 4. Home Hero Elegant Bartender Kit with Wooden Stand. The Home Hero Elegant Bartender Kit is a premium 22-piece set designed to cater to serious cocktail enthusiasts. It includes a wide range of tools such as strainers, bar spoons, ice tongs, and muddlers, all crafted from premium stainless steel. The elegant wooden stand adds a sophisticated touch, making this set a centerpiece for any home bar. A recipe book with directions for 10 cocktails is also included, providing inspiration for both classic and modern drinks. This set stands out for its comprehensive range of tools and sleek design. The wooden stand is sturdy and keeps all tools organized, while the stainless steel components are durable. Product 5. 6-piece Cocktail Shaker Set, 24-ounce shaker. The Zipufa Cocktail Shaker Set is a compact yet functional 6-piece kit featuring a 24-ounce shaker, strainer, muddler, jigger, mixing spoon, and pour spouts. Designed for simplicity, this set is made from rust-proof stainless steel with a mirror finish, ensuring both durability and aesthetic appeal. Its small size makes it ideal for casual users or those with limited storage space. While this set is easy to use and maintain, its limited number of tools may not cater to advanced mixology needs. The shaker performs well for basic cocktails, and the muddler and jigger are functional but lack ergonomic enhancement.